BMC appoints two principals to one school, sparking administrative chaos. Rajasthan Education Minister orders removal of Akbar's great title from textbooks. St. Jude's School wins Quintessence Inter-School Quiz Contest 2024. Bhopal school transportation safety violation put children at risk. Supreme Court asked to revisit NEET UG exam order amid security concerns.
Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Welcome to the Education News Network. Today's top news are: the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has created confusion at Gavalpad Madhyamik Marathi School in Mulund by appointing two principals simultaneously. The situation began in April 2023 when Kavita Maskule was temporarily assigned to the school. In July 2024, Sangeeta Chauhan was also appointed as principal. Teachers are now unsure whose directives to follow, causing disruptions, particularly during exams. Issues like seating arrangements for both principals have compounded the problem. Despite teachers' appealed for clarity, the BMC has not provided a resolution. The Education Department has acknowledged the issue but has not yet taken any actions. Social activist Sagar Devare criticized the BMC administrative for the mismanagement, highlighting similar issues on other BMC schools, including lack of teachers. Devare has called for an immediate investigation and accountability for the education authorities involved. Rajasthan Education Minister Madan Dilawar announced that the school textbook glorifying Mughal emperors Akbar will be removed and destroyed. Speaking at Bhama Shah Saman Samahro in Udaipur, Dilawar criticized Akbar for historical plundering and claiming that portraying him as great insult to Rajput hero Maharana Pratap. He argued that Pratap, who sacrificed for Mewar's honor, has been overshadowed by Akbar's legacy. Dilawar's earlier comments in January included labeling Akbar as rapist and calling him for the removal of such references from textbook. He also criticized portrayal of historical figures like Veer Savarkar and Shivaji, calling for the corrections to misleading information. Dilawar praised Rajasthan's traditions for Bhama Shah and reaffirmed the state's legacy of heroism and sacrifice, emphasizing the importance of accuracy representing historical figures like Maharana Pratap and Bhama Shah in education. St. Jude's School clinched victory at the prestigious Quintessence Inter-School Quiz Contest 2024 hosted by Summer Valley School. The competition featured top schools with St. Joseph's Academy, the Torrance Bridge School, Summer Valley School, St. George School, Mount Ford School and St. Patrick's Academy, advancing to the second level. The final round included the 9 rounds of covering diverse topics such as general awareness, history, and science. St. Jude's emerged as winners thanks in part to the experts Abhinav Sembal, a seasoned quizzer, and key contributions to Aviral Chetri and Prakashal Jain. The team was trained by Mr. K. Sundariyal, Ms. L. Tuli, and Mr. Rakesh Singh. St. Jude's School, known for its commitment to intellectual growth and organizing events like Mindspree, demonstrated its dedication to academic excellence with the trim. In Bhopal, regulations designed to ensure the safe transportation of school children are being disregarded, leaving students at risk every day. Private vans and auto rickshaws overloaded with children frequently violate safety standards, yet enforcement remains lax. Both parents and authorities appear indifferent to the dangers posed by these overcrowded, privately operated vehicles, which often lead to tragic accidents. School officials and parents must become more vigilant, ensuring that the transportation methods are safe, well maintained, and compliant with safety guidelines. School authorities are urged to conduct regular inspections and ban vehicles that do not meet safety standards, while the government should enforce stricter regulations, impose heavy fines, and launch awareness campaigns to educate all the stakeholders about the critical importance of student safety during transportation. immediate collective actions is needed to prevent further accidents and safeguard them while lives of children are at risk. A review plea has been filed in the Supreme Court challenging its August 2 verdict on the NEET UG 2024 exam. The court's previous order had rejected calls for retake of the exam, concluding that there was no symmetric breach affecting the exam's integrity, despite some localized leaks. The review petition submitted by Kajal Kumari requests the court to reconsider and modify its earlier decisions. The August 2 judgment delivered by the bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud acknowledged the absence of widespread malpractice but mandates several measures to bolster the exam security and transparency. These measures include enhanced identity verifications, improved logistics for question paper handling, and more robust grievance recital system. The court also expanded the role of K. Radhakrishnan Expert Committee to address these issues comprehensively. Review petitions are generally heard privately by some judges who issued the original order, typically resulting in the decision within 15 to 30 minutes. That's all for today's news. Thank you for watching. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such detailed news and videos, log into our website, the www.theENN.com. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.